Hi, my name's Sam, and I bring you this short clip based on rights, advocacy and discrimination, focusing on a particular target group being young parents aged 16 to 25 years old. There are many young parents all around the world, but today we will focus our attention towards Australia. In Australia, in 1971, 55 babies out of every 1,000 were born to teenage parents, which has dramatically decreased in today's modern society, with 16 babies out of every 1,000 born to teenage parents in 2012. Please meet Dylan and Sky. Dylan and Sky are 16 years old and are expecting their first baby boy. But they don't know what their rights are. Well, as a human being, everyone has rights, which are all listed in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which means as a parent, they have rights to things like freedom, trust, justice, love, peace, equality, and many more. But young parents also have the right to custody and control over their child, cooperation and obedience from their child. They have the right to their child's earnings and the right to sue if someone wrongfully injures or kills their child. But most importantly, young parents have the right that others respect whatever choice they make. But let's go back to Dylan and Sky. What if they don't know or fully understand their rights? Then are they really their rights at all? Which leads me to my next topic of discrimination. Young parents experience discrimination in many forms, such as being deceived by omission about important things such as rights, where individuals will just have the attitude of, what if I just don't tell it? Young parents experience social discrimination, where people stop and stare. There is also a huge stigma in the community of people questioning if they only did it for the Centrelink payments. Young parents experience discrimination from their families, as they may think you are bringing shame towards the family. Workplace discrimination, where employers think that they can't employ a young parent. And they also experience age discrimination, where people think they're too vulnerable and they're only just babies themselves. So what can we do to advocate for young parents? Let's take a look at some of the advocacy models, such as self, legal, family, citizen, individual, group, and systematic. But for young parents like Sky and Dylan, who don't know their rights, or any young parent out there experiencing discrimination, self, group, and individual advocacy would be the most effective. Individual advocacy includes a young parent being assisted by an advocate that will support, provide information and advice, take action on their behalf and act in their best interests. And group advocacy, which is similar to individual but represents their shared interests, goals and needs to ensure young people feel collectively heard and letting young parents know they are not alone. But essentially, we want to create self-advocacy and have parents like Sky and Dylan feeling empowered enough to speak up and represent themselves. We want young parents to be self-determined and make their own healthy lifestyle choices as they watch their child grow. I really hope you enjoyed my short clip. Thank you for watching.